welcome to the podcast that makes English feel like home. This is Rise and Learn English, where we turn everyday conversations into powerful learning moments. No textbooks, no pressure, just real talk, real stories, and a whole lot of laughter. Whether you're practicing solo or vibing with your group, this is your space to grow, speak up, and celebrate every mistake like a milestone. We blend humor, confidence, and creativity to help you express yourself in English boldly, proudly, and joyfully. So tune in, speak out, and let's build a community where learning feels like living. Because here, English isn't just a skill, it's your voice. Part 1. Mastering Professional Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome to Workplace English Mastery, from fluency to influence. I'm your host, and today we're diving into one of the most important yet underestimated skills in professional life, introductions. Think about it. Your introduction is often the very first impression you make. Whether it's meeting your manager, attending a networking event, or starting your new job, the way you introduce yourself can set the tone for the entire relationship. In today's session, we'll explore how to introduce yourself confidently in different workplace situations, advanced vocabulary and phrases you can use, some stories and real-life workplace anecdotes, and finally, interactive practice prompts for you. Glowing Star Section 1. Why introductions matter. Let me start with a story. A few years ago, a young professional, let's call him Raj, joined a multinational company. On his first day, during orientation, he introduced himself like this. Hi, I'm Raj. I'm from India. I did engineering. That's all. Now, was it wrong? But did it sound memorable, impressive, or professional? Not really. In fact, the HR manager told me later, Raj is smart, but he didn't really make any impact in the room. Compare this with another new hire, Sarah. She said, "Good morning, everyone. My name is Sarah Johnson. I'm originally from Canada, and I specialize in digital marketing with a focus on social media strategies. I'm really excited to collaborate with this team and contribute to building innovative campaigns." See the difference? Raj gave basic information. Sarah created a professional brand. Your introduction is your elevator pitch, a short but powerful summary of who you are, what you bring to the table, and how you want to be remembered. Glowing Star Section 2. Key ingredients of a strong professional introduction. Let's break it down. A strong introduction usually has 4 parts. Greeting, simple but warm. Examples. Good morning, it's a pleasure to meet you. Hello, thank you for having me here today. Name and role, clear and confident. Example. My name is Anita Sharma, and I'm joining as a project coordinator in the operations team. Professional background, short but impactful. I have a background in data analytics and I've worked on projects that optimize supply chain performance. Value and connection, show excitement, contribution, or shared goals. I'm passionate about creating efficient systems, and I look forward to collaborating with you all. Notice how this transforms a dull introduction into a memorable first impression. Now, here's a phrase bank you can borrow. I specialize in. I have experience with. I'm particularly passionate about. I look forward to contributing to. Advanced words you can sprinkle in: professional expertise, proven track record, multifaceted experience, keen interest. Glowing Star Section 3. Advanced vocabulary, idioms and phrases. Let's take it up a notch. In professional English, vocabulary choice makes a huge difference. Instead of saying, I'm good at communication, you could say, I excel at fostering clear and persuasive communication. I pride myself on building rapport quickly. Idioms and phrases that work well in introductions. I like to hit the ground running. Means, I start working energetically from day one. I believe in leading by example. I'm eager to bring something fresh to the table. I enjoy connecting the dots between data and strategy. Notice these don't just tell what you do, they paint a picture of your personality and approach. Glowing Star Section 4. Anecdote, the networking event. Here's another story. A colleague of mine once attended a corporate networking event. Most people introduce themselves in a flat way. Hi, I'm John, I work in IT. End of story. But one professional walked up and said, Hi, I'm Priya. I work in cybersecurity, and I help companies sleep better at night by protecting their digital assets. Everyone laughed, everyone remembered her, and guess what? She got 3 business opportunities from that single introduction. So the lesson? Don't just tell people your job title. Tell them the value you bring. That's what makes you unforgettable. Glowing Star Section 5. Practical Scenarios. Let's role-play 3 scenarios. I'll say the setup and then give you a sample introduction. I want you to repeat after me. Scenario 1. First day at work. Good morning, I'm David Lee. I've just joined the finance department as an analyst. My background is in investment research, and I'm looking forward to supporting the team in achieving our quarterly goals. Scenario 2. Client meeting. Hello, I'm Maria Gonzalez, account manager at Zenith Solutions. I specialize in client relationships, and I'll be your primary contact moving forward. Scenario 3. International conference. Hi, I'm Arjun Mehta from Singapore. I lead projects in renewable energy, and I'm particularly focused on sustainable innovation. It's great to connect with professionals who share the same vision. Did you notice how each introduction adapts slightly depending on the context? Glowing Star Section 6. Common mistakes to avoid. Now let's talk about pitfalls. Common mistakes I see professionals make during introductions. Overloading with information. Don't give your entire CV. Keep it crisp. Speaking too softly or too fast. Confidence is not only in words but also in voice. Forgetting eye contact or body language. Remember, communication is 7% words, 38% tone, and 55% body language. Using cliches. Instead of saying I'm hardworking and motivated, show it through unique phrasing like, I thrive in challenging environments and consistently deliver results under pressure. Glowing Star Section 7. Listener Practice Challenge. Alright, time for your practice challenge. I want you to pause this podcast for a moment, grab a pen and paper, and write a 30-second self-introduction using the structure we discussed. Greeting. Name and role. Background. Value and connection. Then, say it out loud as if you're speaking to a room full of professionals. Here's an advanced phrase you can try to include. I bring a unique perspective on, or, I'm committed to driving. And if you want to level it up, record yourself and listen back. Does your voice sound confident? Clear? Engaging? That's how you'll grow. Glowing Star Closing of Part 1. To wrap up Part 1, remember, introductions are not about listing facts. They're about creating impact. Use advanced vocabulary, sprinkle in idioms, and frame yourself as someone who brings value. Because in the workplace, people don't just remember your name, they remember how you made them feel in those first few seconds. In our next episode, Part 2, we'll move into the world of small talk that builds trust. Because once the introduction is over, the real conversation begins. Until then, keep practicing your elevator pitch. And remember, every introduction is an opportunity to shine.